Okay, so I should get the filters for my dozer on
Right.
the 25th.
Yep, right on time for that 2,000-hour interval.
Okay, and then can I also get my fluids?
Look, we're doing the softball league again.
Oh,
You should join, Charlie. Come out of retirement.
yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know. I used to have a mean knuckleball, but pretty sure those days are behind me.
It's never too late, Chuckaball.
What?
It's never too late to get a customer value agreement for your cat machine, just like it's not too late to join the softball team.
Oh, well, I don't know if I'd make the cut.
Charlie, if CVAs can help customers no matter where they got their cat machine,
And offer support at any point in its life cycle.
there's definitely a place for you on the team.
You really mean it?
Of course, Charlie. Any cat machine owner can get a CVA. We even have different options to fit their needs.
No, I mean about me joining the softball team.
From CVAs to softball, everyone's allowed on the team.
Even Steve?
Steve? He's got a killer swing. Been on the team for years.
Okay, then I'm in.
Hey, you should sign up too. It's never too late to get a CVA for your cat machine or join that softball team.